Let's go quickly. Hi, big brother. Hi, big brother. Hi, my big brother. I have hiccups. I have the hiccups. Oh. Just drop it off, Daddy, and then I'll ask Peter to get it because you don't have enough time.
I didn't tell me shut me earlier, man. 22 November.
But I thought you were gonna drop it off for me.
Drop off for mommy too.
Yeah.